In many ways, Lord Dalhousie was the founder of modern India. Elaborate. Those saw words, thus marks. Introduction. James Andrew Brown Ramsay, commonly known as Lord Dalhousie, was a significant British statesman who served as the Governor-General of India from 1848 to 1856. His tenure marked a transformative period in Indian history, where he implemented various reforms and policies that expanded British territorial control and laid the groundwork for modern India. Body. Lord Dalhousie's contributions to shaping modern India include Doctrine of Lapse. This policy allowed the British East India Company to annex princely states if the ruler died without a direct heir, leading to increased British territory. Railway and telegraph system. He established India's first railway line connecting Bombay and Thane and laid the foundation for a telegraph system, improving communication across the country. Modern education. Dalhousie supported modern education by encouraging the founding of universities such as those in Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras in 1857, fostering a new generation of Indian intellectuals. Public Works Department, PWD. He created the PWD to oversee infrastructure projects, including roads, bridges, and canals. Postal system. He introduced a uniform postage system, enhancing postal efficiency and accessibility. Administrative reforms. Dalhousie appointed lieutenant governors in provinces to centralize and streamline administration. Conclusion. While Lord Dalhousie's contributions to modern India are notable, many of his policies served the interests of the British Empire and were unpopular among Indians. His policies, particularly the Doctrine of Lapse, contributed to rising discontent that ultimately led to the First War of Indian Independence in 1857.